Man, it's cold out today in Guam.
Ooh, it really is cold, but welcome to Gears in Guam.
Thankfully, we don't have to make this walk down to school, but let's take a look at some of the people that suffer through it.
All right, what's your name?
Dominic Roth.
All right, Dominic, what kind of car do you have here for us?
I have a 2018 Ford Focus.
Okay, a 2018 Ford Focus. I love these cars. Nice, small, compact, and they're a little cheaper. What's your favorite thing about this car?
I definitely have to say the stripe on the front.
I like the stripe. White and black always goes together. How'd you get it?
Working at Giant.
Giant? It pays well, people. What advice would you give to future Focus owners?
They're slow, and the transmissions blow early.
Well, at least he's truthful. All right, and who am I here with today?
Bryce Boyd.
All right, Bryce, what kind of truck do you have for us today?
This is a 2021 Ford F-150.
A 2021 Ford F-150. How do you get this truck?
So my dad paid for it, but once I'm out of high school, I have to pay.
All right, that's a big check. What's your favorite thing about this truck?
Probably the color.
The color? All right. This nice gray. I don't see a lot of these trucks with this gray color. I love it. I love it. What advice would you give to future F-150 owners?
Don't buy one. The transmission sucks.
Well, that seems like to be a theme with these Fords.
Yep.
What can I say?
All right, who am I here with right now?
Fernando Marquez.
All right, Nando, tell me, what model car is the Nando Mobile?
Nissan Altima 2006.
All right, tell me, how did you afford this car?
My money. Yeah.
His money, that's all he needs. What's your favorite thing about this car, Nando?
Probably my music.
His music, absolutely. Play some for us. Make sure it's clean.
Run that back turbo. You can get the biggest in there back in the store if you want it. I got